Hi everyone, welcome to Appliance Advisors. I'm Francesco, joined by my co-host Dennis. Today we're going to talk about what appliances you should consider for your vacation home or a rental home as well. So any thoughts right off the bat there?
Yeah, I definitely, just overarching concepts when you start the exploration. Obviously, you know your rental. If your rental is a really high-end rental, you may need to carry higher-end brands. It just goes part and parcel. But I think at the very least, things we think about here is maintenance, maintaining, and monitoring, those types of things. So I think about, you may want to consider some of the models now that have they're Wi-Fi enabled to the fact that you can control them and see that is an example. You have a vacation home, you're gonna have a rental coming on right now. You can control the temperature of your fridge to be in vacation mode. And what that really means is, kind of no one's in the rental and it's using minimal energy because it's not gonna be opened and closed. Or turn it on or turn it up. As well, they can give you alerts if something's about to break and it's remotely. So if you rent it, it's great. But if it's just a home that you don't go to very often, it's really, really cool. Brands like LG and GE have actually taken it, and other brands too, but have taken that to a whole nother level. Well, LG with their ThinQ and GE with their Smart HQ, they actually have preventative maintenance. So they're actually going to monitor the machine and can actually tell the retailer that you bought it from, if they have service, or you, the homeowner, this machine is about to break. They will literally pre-order the part, send it to us, and you can get a notification to say, hey, we're just giving you a heads up. Your refrigerator compressor is on the fritz. There's already one en route. We can be there in 3 days. So really so you don't have that breakdown and that emotional call. It can remind you of things, of filters and so on and so forth. And final thing I'd tell you is water, right? Water's one of the biggest concerns when you're talking about a vacation rental, because you don't want to go up to it and realize you put a swimming pool in while you're away and you didn't go when they open the door. So a lot of these machines, it could be something like a Bosch dishwasher that has a feature in some of their models that's AquaStop. So if it senses a leak, it's going to shut the water off at the valve. And other machines do that same thing where, if it senses it, like some of the true ice makers, there's certain machines out there that have these features built into them that can resist. So it would really be asking Miele laundry as an example, that will literally shut off the water if it's sensing leaks.
Exactly, which is great too. And talk about some of the Wi-Fi features and the apps, even like the monitoring too, like even brands like LG where you'll tell you when your vent needs to be cleaned out as well. So when you're not there often, and that's something you definitely don't want to build up over time. So these Wi-Fi features, while, we've talked about them for a long time, as far as features and everyday use, they're getting there as far as kind of ones that maybe a customer would use every single day. But I think they're definitely there as far as the service and the safety and monitoring for sure is where they're really starting to hit their stride. And they're going to get there with some of the day-to-day features and things like that you use every day. But vacation home, rental home, absolutely something you want to look at there. So I think that's it for vacation homes.
And don't forget to follow us on social media for appliance tips and updates from Miele Appliance.
Your feedback is what shapes our series. Like what you saw, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you.
Stay informed and inspired on all your appliance needs. This is Appliance Advisors signing off.